Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Maria from Aglaia Aesthetics Online. Today I want to talk about something super important for anyone who loves lash extensions, how to keep your eyes safe, your natural lashes healthy, and avoid long-term damage. Please stay until the end because I have a lot of nuggets, and if you just speed it through, you might miss some of information that is important to you. Whether you're just starting with lashes or thinking about it or have been using them for months or even years, this video is for you. Who should avoid lash extensions? What is in the glue? How extensions can affect your natural lashes? Why long-term use needs caution. I have a lot of notes here, so sometimes I'm going to look down, so I'm not going to miss anything. All this information for you. Lash extensions can look amazing, but like anything, like beauty related, they come with responsibility. When applied properly, they are generally safe, but misuse or overuse can cause irritation, infections, or even damage to your natural lashes. It's very similar to nail extensions. Gels, acrylics, tips, fibers. If you keep on using them and you don't ever take them off, your natural nail will become brittle to the point that the nail extension cannot stick anymore to the nail plate. So it is advisable to give a breather to the nail plates. Exactly the same thing for the lashes. Some reactions happens right away, like redness or itching, while others like thinning lashes can develop slowly over months or even years. That's why understanding safety is key. Now, let's talk about who should avoid lash extensions. Eye conditions like pink eye, like infection, pimples, blepharitis, or have recently had eye surgery or even plastic surgery. Lash extensions can make things worse. If you have allergies or sensitivities, you have sensitive skin, or you are allergic to formaldehyde or cyanocrylate, which is the main ingredient in most lash glues, who should steer clear or do a patch test first. So you usually want to do a patch test around this area or maybe around the eye to see if there's any reaction. Some health conditions like autoimmune conditions affecting the eyes or skin, and even pregnancy or breastfeeding can make your skin and eyes more sensitive. Also, if you have any broken skin around your eyes or ongoing eye infections, you need to let it heal before getting extensions. A good rule of thumb: when in doubt, step back. Always consult a professional and do a patch test. It's much better to be safe than sorry. So, what's in the glue? What's in the glue? The main ingredient is cyanocrylate, which can release formaldehyde during curing. Formaldehyde is what can cause irritation, redness, swelling, or watery eyes. Some glues also contain additives like fast-drying agents, stabilizers, or antifungal compounds, and those things might cause allergy reaction in your eyes. Now, some safety tips, which I already said a few times. Always do a patch test. Make sure your technician works in a well-ventilated and sanitized area. If possible, choose a formaldehyde-free glue. Even when applied correctly and your technician is doing everything perfectly, lash extensions can affect your natural lashes. Breakage or thinning. Extensions add weight to your natural lashes. Too long or too heavy lashes can pull on your natural lashes, causing them to break or even fall. Improper application, sometimes glue is hopefully accidentally, attached to multiple natural lashes, which can strain them. Using too much adhesive can also weaken lashes and irritate the follicle. Follicle is found underneath the skin. If you wear lashes long term, consistently, without giving your natural lashes a break, they can become thinner over time. The good news is that most damage is temporary if lashes are removed safely and your natural lashes are cared for. However, if you don't take care, it comes to the point that you might lose the lashes and they will never come back. Extensions should enhance your natural beauty, not overwhelm it. Most men and even many women prefer lashes that look soft, natural, and elegant, rather than super long or overly dramatic lashes. Ask your technician for a natural look. Avoid extreme lengths or volumes, and remember that heavy lashes can strain your natural lashes. Long-term or frequent use of lash extensions without breaks can weaken your natural lashes. That is the reality. So healthy practices: give your lashes rest periods to recover naturally. Stick with a certified technician for safe application and removal, somebody that knows her trade. And please do not pull or tug onto the lashes. Signs that it's time for a break is when you have thinning lashes, eye irritation, and recurring infections. Taking breaks and practicing proper maintenance will keep your natural lashes strong while still enjoying the beauty of extensions. So sometimes individuals tell me, but Maria, when I take my lashes off, I feel bald. I don't feel beautiful anymore. It's better to do that, because if you don't, you will lose your lashes for good. So my advice: go to a drugstore or go to a professional where they sell those beautiful strip lashes. You put them on in the morning, take them off at night. And so you allow your lashes to recoup. So a quick summary: lash extensions can look beautiful, but safety and long-term care are essential. Know your contraindications. Understand what's in your glue. Protect your natural lashes and aim for a natural, healthy look. If you are unsure about your lashes or notice irritation, consult a certified professional. Remember, your natural lashes are precious. You got only 2 sets, so treat them with care. Thank you so much for watching and you stayed until the end. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love lash extensions or someone who are interested in getting lashes. Remember to watch this video coming up. I have quite a few videos on health and wellness in the description box, and also different products and skincare and health and wellness supplements that I love. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and may God bless you.